Hello all, welcome back to the TestNG reports. Right, in previous session I have explained how to default TestNG reports and ReportNG reports, how to generate default reports and TestNG reports. Right, today's class we will see listeners. By using the listeners, how to generate report, not exactly a report, logs report. That is also a one type of report. By using the listeners. Here I have just taken. First we can create the project. Maven project we can create some TestNG. A simple TestNG. Then we can write. Where it is. Okay, report engine. Okay, fine. Then we have to. Here I have created listeners by using the ITestListener. In listeners we have one listener is ITestListener. What is this? This is an interface. ITestListener is an interface. Again it will extend ITestListener. ITestNG listener. This is also interface. Here nothing is there. This is a marker interface. In Java, marker interface which will not contain any methods. Marker interface means it will not contain any methods, but it will provide some functionality to the our wherever we will implement some functionality to this that class. Then ITestListener, there are a few interface. This is interface means what are the methods we will have? Public abstract methods without implementation. But from Java 8 onwards, in recent versions of Java we can write default and static methods also. In the recent versions we can write default and static methods. Here all are default methods. All are default methods. We can implement these things. What is the advantage of if it is a abstract methods? There is some advantages if we have a default methods. What is the advantage? Suppose if these are all abstract methods without any body, then whoever implement this interface, they must all the abstract methods they have to override and provide the implementation. But here what is the advantage if it is a default methods? If I want only this method, I will override. It will not restrict. It will not restrict. You must override all these things. Whatever I want, we can override. That is the advantage of default methods in the interface. Now here I have overridden few methods: on test start, on test success, on test failure, on test skip. What is the advantage? Listener. Listener means it will listen to the events of a execution. Listener means it will listen to the events of the execution. Whenever test is started, whenever test is started, it will trigger and it will print. We can add either loggers. Mostly we will add loggers. Instead of system.out.println, we will add loggers itself. So that it will generate a log file. I will tell you that in next class. Currently we are printing on the console only. Whenever it is starting, this is one type of report. Report means we can debug the issues. This is also one type of. In listeners we can keep system.out.println result.getName. We will get the name of the test case, either pass, fail, skip. We can by using ITestListener we can override whatever methods we want. And then if I want to execute in TestNG, what I have to do? I have to keep listener class. I have to enable it. Otherwise, it will not listen. That class will not listen whatever actions of the execution. Once we enable, then only it will listen to our execution actions. Now just I will trigger it. This is like just a console report. Right, in the console, while executing the script, right, we can see what is going on, right, what test case is executing, right, whether test case is pass or not, fail or not. While executing the console, right, while executing the test case itself in the console, we can observe. Right, I kept in headless mode. Right, I'm executing in headless mode. So test case 01 is started. Right. Okay. Right, method name is same only. Right, but only difference is I am executing different browsers. That's it. Right, right. Chrome is invoked, Edge is invoked. Chrome, Edge, and then Firefox. These three I am executing. Right, test case passed. Right, this is the start. Right, and the listener on test chart. Right, this is test success. There is no failure. If failure or skip are there, it will execute. Currently all passed. So only passed events are right. This only in listener on success only it is called on test chart is called. Right, this is one type of console report. Right, one more important thing is right reporter, iReporter. Right, this is an interface implemented with the clients to generate the report. Right, by using iReporter, right, iReporter, there is a generate report. There is a generate report. What is iReporter? It is also an interface. Right, it is also an interface. It has a generate report method. It has a generate report method. It has a different parameters, but we require these suits. Okay, suits. It has a XML suits and a list of iSuits and output director. Just we require our suits only. Right, here also what we can do? Here also we can iterate these suits. List of suits means we can iterate for each loop and one by one suit we can get from the suit.suit name. Right, this is the suit name. And then suit.get results. We can get the all the results. What is the suit results? It has a map again. Right, this map will contain values. Right, map means it will have a values. These values are the actual results. From the values we will get iSuit result. Then again context. From the ITest iSuit result to get context. Get the context of it. And then what are the passed test, total passed test case size. Right, a total passed test case of the size. Get passed test, all results dot size, fail test, skip test. Right, by using iReporter also we can print right what is the, and here also we can get, we will see that also one more few enhancements on top of this. Right, this is just a simple, we can iterate suits and print how many passed, failed, skipped. That's it. Right, I have written one more thing. Here we can write a generate. Here I am writing just a custom report. Right, I am generating HTML. This is a simple HTML report only. Right, right. By taking the help of the any UI developer, right, we can write more robust HTML file. We can generate. Right, we have all the results in the iReporter. Right, this generate report it will execute. When it will execute iReporter? Once all the execution is done, this reporter will execute. Once execution done, this iReporter will, this listener will execute. Right, it execute finally. So all the results it will have. So we can generate a robust HTML. Here simple HTML. Right, HTML starts with the root tag is, this is just a XML text like. Right, it will have a HTML head title. Just I am giving some title. Close the head and again open the body. Right, body H1 means just heading. Right, it will display some bold letters. That's it. Right, H2 is also like a heading. Right, same way here also I am iterating suits and getting the suit name, and I am suit name I am appending in H2. Right, then get results we will get the map. Right, map. Then again get the values. I suit results we will get, and From the ISUIT result, we will get the test context. From the test context, what we will get see here, pass test dot get all results. Right here we will getting report context. One more method here created. What is this? Just to get the name of the class and method name. Right, we can iterate the test results. We can iterate the test results and append to string builder. Right, this HTML. Right, we are appending this HTML entire code in the string builder. Right, so that finally we can generate one file, HTML file. Right, simply right iterating and then appending. That's it, li tag. Right, just it will show pass test, failed test, skip test. We are appending to string builder. That's it. Right, instead of right, we can generate our custom HTML. How to generate? Everything will be appended to string builder. This string builder, right, finally by using buffer writer class, right, buffer writer file writer class, I am generating this HTML file. I am generating writer.write. It will generate one HTML file. We will see that. Right, here what we have to do, just we need to add the listener. What is the class name of listener? Custom report with HTML. Then only listener will work, otherwise it will not work. Right click, run as TestNG. What is the HTML file? Here we are generating. Right, here we have a argument output directory. Right, in the output directory / custom report.html. Right, it will generate under test output folder. Output directory is here. Right, this is the test output folder. Right, we will see once it is executed. Right, by using IReporter. Right, this is a listener IReporter. It has a suits. Right, we can iterate one by one suit, and we can get the results of each test case, and simply we can generate it. That's right, execution done. Just refresh it. Go to test output. Right, here see, along with the TestNG reports, it will generate our custom report also. Open with the system editor. Right, this is a simple one. Just say this is the test execution report, the suit name. Right, pass the test, failed test, skip test. Right, simple plain HTML. Right, if you know the HTML, you can write it on your custom, right, like robust one. This is also a this is also a previously we have seen this report ng, right. This is also HTML file only, but they have written some right more HTML tags and they have implemented more. We can also implement if you know. We can write it. Just I am giving and throwing some idea. Right, if anyone wants write this project, please comment it out. Right, I will share to you. Okay, if you like my presentation, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification, please comment. Right, no, click the bell icon. Just if you like, share to your friends also. Right, thanks for watching. Thank you.